What if I told you that right now, sitting where you are, with nothing but a phone or a laptop, you could build a real income online? No degree, no boss, no office. Today, I'm breaking down 4 proven paths that people all over the world are using to make money online, from absolute zero. And I'm giving you the full A to Z breakdown of each one. We're talking Forex trading, affiliate marketing, Google Ads as a service, and YouTube with Google AdSense. Stay till the end, because I'll tell you which one is best, depending on your situation. Let's go. Path 1, Forex trading. What is it? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global market where currencies are bought and sold. Every single day, over $7 trillion is traded in this market. It never sleeps. The idea is simple. You buy a currency when its value is low and sell it when the value rises. That difference? That's your profit. For example, if you buy the US dollar against the Japanese yen and the dollar strengthens, you make money. How to start from zero. Step 1, education first. Don't touch real money yet. Learn what pip, lot size, leverage, and spread mean. YouTube, babypips.com. These are free and brilliant. Step 2, choose a broker. Look for regulated brokers. Names like XM, XNIS, or IC markets are popular for beginners. Make sure they're regulated by a recognized authority. Step 3, open a demo account. Practice with virtual money. Spend at least 1 to 3 months here. Do not skip this step. Step 4, learn technical analysis. Read charts. Learn support and resistance, candlestick patterns, moving averages, and RSI. Step 5, risk management is everything. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Most beginners lose because they ignore this. Step 6, start live trading small. $50 to $100 to start. Grow slowly. Discipline over greed, always. Honest reality check. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Around 70 to 80% of retail traders lose money. But the ones who win? They treat it like a skill, not a gamble. Study, practice, patience. Path 2, affiliate marketing. What is it? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't create a product, you don't handle shipping, you don't deal with customer service. You just connect people to products they need and get paid for it. How to start from zero. Step 1, pick a niche. What topic do you know or care about? Health, tech, finance, travel? The more specific, the better. Fitness for busy moms beats just fitness. Step 2, join affiliate programs. Start with Amazon Associates. It's beginner-friendly. Then explore ClickBank, ShareASale, Impact, or direct brand programs. For digital products, Digistore24 and Warrior Plus pay very high commissions. Step 3, choose your platform. Blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook page. You need somewhere to share content and drop your links. Step 4, create helpful content. Write reviews, make tutorials, comparison videos. Best X for Y content converts incredibly well. Focus on solving problems, not just selling. Step 5, drive traffic. Free methods, SEO, social media, YouTube. Paid methods, Facebook ads, Google ads. Start free, scale with paid later. Step 6, build an email list. This is your long-term asset. Offer a free guide or checklist in exchange for an email. Then nurture that list with value. Earning potential. Beginners, $100 to $500 per month within 3 to 6 months of consistent work. Intermediate, $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Advanced, 6 figures a year? Absolutely possible. The key word is consistency. Most people quit at month 2. Don't be that person. Path 3, Google Ads Expert, as a service. What is it? This one is underrated, and that's exactly why it's a massive opportunity. Businesses everywhere need customers. Google Ads puts those businesses in front of people who are already searching for what they sell. But most business owners have no idea how to run Google Ads properly. That's where you come in. You learn Google Ads. You offer it as a service. Businesses pay you every month to manage their campaigns. How to start from zero. Step 1. Learn Google Ads properly. Google's own Skillshop platform is free and gives you official certifications. Also explore YouTube tutorials and courses on Udemy or Coursera. Step 2. Understand the basics deeply. Learn keyword research, match types, quality score, ad copywriting, bidding strategies, conversion tracking, and landing page optimization. Step 3. Get certified. The Google Ads Search certification is free. It builds your credibility instantly. Step 4. Get your first client. Offer to run ads for a local business for free or at a very low cost. Just to build case studies. A local restaurant, dentist, or clothing shop works great. Step 5. Show results, then charge. Once you can demonstrate ROI, you spent $500 in ads and generated $2,000 in revenue. Charging $500 to $1,500 per month per client becomes very easy to justify. Step 6. Scale to multiple clients. With 5 clients at $800 each, you're making $4,000 a month, and this scales. Tools you'll need: Google Ads account, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager for tracking, and Looker Studio for reporting. Why this path is powerful. You're selling a skill that produces measurable results. Businesses don't see you as a cost. They see you as an investment. That's the best position to be in. Path 4. YouTube plus Google AdSense. What is it? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. And Google AdSense allows YouTube to pay you every time ads run on your videos. You create videos, people watch them, ads play, you get paid. Simple in concept, requires real work in execution. How to start from zero. Step 1. Choose your niche. Finance, tech, education, food, travel, personal development. Pick something you can talk about consistently. High-paying AdSense niches include finance, insurance, and software. Step 2. Set up your channel. Create a Google account. Open YouTube Studio. Design a clean banner and logo. Use Canva, it's free. Step 3. Plan your content. Use YouTube Search, Google Trends, and tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find topics people are already searching for. Make videos that answer questions. Step 4. Create consistently. Post at least once a week. In the beginning, quantity builds your skills. Later, quality drives growth. Don't wait for perfect. Start with what you have. Step 5. Optimize every video. Strong title, keyword-rich description, custom thumbnail, relevant tags. Your thumbnail and title are what make people click. Spend time on these. Step 6. Reach monetization requirements. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Step 7. Diversify income. AdSense is just the start. Add affiliate links, channel memberships, sponsorships, and your own products. Big YouTubers often earn more from these than AdSense. Realistic timeline. Monetization. Typically 6 to 18 months of consistent effort. $100 to $500 per month at the start. $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month as you grow. This is a long game, but the compounding effect is extraordinary. Which path is right for you? Here's a quick guide. Limited capital, love analyzing markets, Forex trading. But study hard before spending a money. Don't want to show your face online, love writing or content. Affiliate marketing. Lowest barrier to entry. Have a technical mindset and want fast, reliable client income? Google Ads is a service. Most scalable freelance skill right now. Love being on camera and can talk about one topic consistently? YouTube plus AdSense. Slowest to start, but builds long-term passive income. The truth? Many successful online earners start with 1, master it, then combine 2 or 3. Look, the hardest part isn't learning any of this. The hardest part is starting. Most people watch videos like this, nod their heads, and do nothing. Don't be that person. Pick one of these 4 paths. Write it down. Give yourself 90 days. Be consistent. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more practical guides like this. No fluff, just real information you can act on. And drop in the comments. Which of the 4 paths are you starting with? I read every comment. See you in the next one.